Italian Ciabatta Sandwich. Ingredients: 1 to 6 ounce jar quartered marinated artichoke hearts. 1/4 cup chopped roasted red sweet pepper. 2 tablespoons chopped pitted ripe olives. 1 to 12-inch ciabatta or focaccia. 4 ounces thinly sliced capocola. 4 ounces thinly sliced salami. 2 ounces thinly sliced mortadella. 4 ounces thinly sliced provolone or Swiss cheese. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Drain artichoke hearts, pat dry with paper towels. Coarsely chop artichokes, pat dry again. Combine artichokes, roasted pepper, and olives, set aside. Cut bread horizontally. Layer the bottom with copicola, salami, and mortadella. Spoon artichoke mixture over meat, top with cheese. Place top of bread. Tightly wrap sandwich with foil. Cook 40 minutes or until bread is toasted and the cheese has melted.